Hi and welcome back to Insight 2014. I'm here on the show floor, Insight Central. I'm Richie Jennings and I'm joined by Erich Vogel. Erich, hi.
Nice to meet you.
Or can I call you Eric?
Yeah, sure.
Very good.
No
Thanks. Now you're from ComputaCenter.
Yeah.
Tell us a little about what you do at ComputaCenter, and for the tiny minority of people watching who don't know what ComputaCenter is, what is ComputaCenter?
So I start with that one. ComputaCenter is one of Europe's biggest system integrators. We are working with all companies that deliver IT equipment. We do a lot of services around that. We have a big consulting organization to integrate new solutions, to integrate new infrastructure into the customer data centers, and we do care a lot about, that's our motto, enabling users. So we also concentrate on mobility and all the technology available for making users smarter, making them work better wherever they want and whenever they want. So my role in ComputaCenter is called Cloud Leader. My job is to
Cloud Leader.
Isn't that great?
Wow.
Fantastic title. I'm working in consulting services, and my job is to coordinate all the activities that we do around cloud within ComputaCenter Germany, within the consulting organization, and with the managed service organization, as well as on a European level with the colleagues from UK and France. So that pretty much describes what I'm doing.
Very good. So here we are at Insight, NetApp Insight, and as a good NetApp partner,
yeah.
What is it like working with NetApp? How are they at partnership? Are they good?
Two things which we have to point out which are really good in working with NetApp. The first one, the channel works, which is not really a normal thing. So we work together with NetApp Salesforce, and we've never had any conflicts in addressing customers or finding out that NetApp does direct business. So that's something very important for us as a system integrator. And number two is we participate, or we join NetApp early alpha and beta programs, which gives us the possibility to talk to our customers in a very early stage and show them that we are the right consulting partner for whatever solution they want to POC or they want to really introduce in their data center. And the last two things we did was the program for the FlashArray, as well as the 8.3 release with MetroCluster in it. And again, that gives us the chance to really show our customers we are a very good consulting partner as well.
My eyes just lit up because you hit on my favorite NetApp product, MetroCluster.
MetroCluster.
Yeah. So why do your customers like and choose MetroCluster, or why do you provide MetroCluster to your customers?
Well, it's almost a historical thing. Most of our customers are still on version 7, and 80% or maybe more use the MetroCluster feature. So they are all waiting for the new release because they require this really synchronous data storage feature. And we think that we will have a big turnover rate. And I know that NetApp thinks it's a European thing, but we are very happy that this feature is finally here. And we think that in 2015 we will have a lot of projects implementing that with customers. Yeah.
So obviously you talk to a lot of business people, and I feel like what we do on Forbes talks to a lot of business people as well, and we don't like to talk about technology so much. Is that the same in your world?
IT people always tend to talk about technology first, but when it comes to big changes in the IT itself, like cloud topics, that's a really big shift. Then the first thing is really to talk about the business effects that this technology change has, and not about the bits and bytes and technology. So we talk to customers a lot about their processes and standardization and automation, which now is possible using the technology which is summarized under cloud, flexible infrastructure, automation things, cloud management system, and so on. So we try to start at discussing the benefits of the business itself and the requirements of the business departments which the IT has to fulfill. And then sometime in step 2 or 3 you come automatically to the new technology summarized under cloud. So yes, we do discuss a lot of business requirements nowadays, and finally end up with cloud things. Yeah.
And I suppose that's the very definition of a partnership, not just the partnership with NetApp, but the partnership with you and your customers.
Absolutely, because if you only talk about, even if it's NetApp things and features, then you're exchangeable. You're not of a real value to your customer, and that's one of the things why we are here at the Insight, because we meet both the partner and the customer, and that's what we want to work with. We want to have a partnership not only with our customers, but also, of course, with our suppliers and partners, and that's the real benefit that we have. We understand both sides.
So you're supportive of this idea that's new for this year at Insight of adding customers to the mix of attendees, not just partners anymore?
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's the right move, again, because then we can really both, let's say all sides, NetApp, the customers and system integrators like ourselves can pull the most benefit out of such of Insight as a very good platform for exchanging thoughts and learning new things. So yes, absolutely.
Yep. And you've got the entire ecosystem here, and it's a big virtuous circle. Erich, it's been fantastic talking to you. Thank you so much for dropping by.
Thank you as well.
Let's shake your hand. And he's been Erich Vogel. I've been Richie Jennings. Thank you so much for watching. See us again soon.